to arrange icons freely on iPhone. Apple overtook the home screen, introducing design changes that led more customization and personalization. One of the changes is to arrange icons and widgets with space between them, opening up a variety of new layout options. You can select the exact location for new apps, letting the app icon size gaps between apps, entire empty rows, or entire empty columns. This design turns on numerous layouts. For example, you can place a single app in the center of a page, create a row of apps at the top and bottom, form a column of apps, and more. Cat Insider has a step-by-step guide on how to arrange app icons. First, long press a space on the home screen to enter jiggle mode. Second, move your app icons into the desired positions within the invisible grid. Third, tap Done. Moreover, in iOS 18, you can make your icons bigger by removing the app names from them.